Today's song is inspired by Psalm 10, a psalm that begins with honest questions like, "Why, Lord, do you stand far off?" but ends in bold confidence that God is near, God sees, and God will act. It's a cry from the heart, not just of one person, but of all who feel forgotten, oppressed, or unheard. And yet, in the middle of the pain, the psalmist holds on to the truth. The Lord is King forever and ever. This song is for those who are waiting on justice, longing for hope, and believing that God has not turned away. Let this be our prayer and our praise.
Why do you seem far away, Lord? Why in trouble do you hide? The wicked boast and chase the weak, while justice runs and children cry. But I will lift my eyes to you. You see the things that no one sees. You hold the broken in your hands and write their names in mercy's ink. You hear the cry of the afflicted. You won't forget a single plea. You break the arm of every tyrant and set the lonely captive free. You are the King forever reigning. Your throne stands in eternity. And even when the dark surrounds me, I know you fight for me. The helpless put their trust in you. You are the helper of the poor. You never fail, you never leave. You are the shelter and the sword. So I will not be moved by fear, though chaos rages all around. I rest beneath your righteousness, where justice and your grace abound. You hear the cry of the afflicted. You won't forget a single plea. You break the arm of every tyrant and set the lonely captive free. You are the King forever reigning. Your throne stands in eternity. And even when the dark surrounds me, I know you fight for me. Rise up, O God, and show your power. Let evil tremble at your name. Defend the ones the world devours. Your truth will never fade. You hear the cry of the afflicted. You hold the orphan close to thee. You are the King who sees the lowly, and still you fight for me. Yes, Lord, you fight for me.
If this song touched your heart, even just a little, do me a favor. Leave a comment below and share this video with someone who needs peace or encouragement. Let's lift each other up as a community of faith Like this video so others can discover it in their time of need. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel so we can continue spreading the Word of God together. Until next time, God bless you.